How to fix add music to profile not showing on Instagram in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open Instagram. In Instagram, click on your account and then click on edit profile. Now here you can see the music option, add music to your profile. Now here you can add your music. If you can't see this option, then go back to your screen and open App Store. Now search here Instagram. Now here you can check your Instagram update. If it doesn't update, then update your Instagram. After update your Instagram, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings and click on general. Now click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on Instagram. Now here you can offload your Instagram app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.